that we have to just end up speed and move out and
just move slick.
come up on the land.
So the 400 CDs, what was it for the month?
For the year.
Here.
Yeah.
And him collect 2,000 until now, 2,000 Ghana CD are plenty money.
Of course. Up until
Just imagine.
Okay. Still.
When I came here, the US dollar was worth 96 pesos when I came to Ghana.
So the
US wasn't nothing.
And the US dollar didn't say
96 pesos, one bag of cement was 8 CDs. Yeah.
Or 7.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, man. So we go through it rough, you know. We start ground zero,
Okay.
but like I always say, my preparation was moving to Brownstone or Senton to his place, where that was where my coming down from the city, unwinding from the city life began. Because like initially, when we got the whole of the wall full of croton lizard. Imagine that to a woman we're growing at Kingston. Oh my goodness.
I'm not telling you, oh no, they don't do nothing.
Listen to you.
They don't do nothing.
They don't do nothing.
I'm not telling you, because they never
So at
do
first though, I always set the rule and make him know so he can't come in after 5 o'clock in the evening, because 5 o'clock is when them come out. So me alone are staying at the house
With
no
them.
day past 5 o'clock. So that become inconvenient to him now. So then him now start rebel and say, if me not say, the something them smaller, me much bigger than the lizard them, and him start run them way, and after a while we just start looking and say, but we're really scared of this thing up there, so, and you know, just start put a different programming in my mind, and
Come and so come see rat.
you know, really bother me again, you know, not like like before. It's like, yeah, you know, not that I'm a friend or nothing, but
And them no friend, man.
me no run up and down when me see them.
So you never see snake again since that last snake encounter?
Not so
All
big.
the time. We used to see them all the time. We come in our Migla forest, you
You
know,
know, there's a
Rasta.
cook one day. Cause the shed there, so. Long after that, now we build up a little kitchen and put a firewall or so. So we can come out of the hut and come out, so. And we do a cook on the time palm plantation is over here, so. And we hear a sound that come like a horse race. And we see we hear say one frog a ball, and I say, ay! And the frog just rush on, and we look, we see one big black cobra just rush on, and when he come around and see some road, and just go say, and just go say, he just breaks up on the tail. Like he must have blood fire on the there, let me look at the frog. And the frog just run on the firewall and rush around the place like he must have. And the snake come on and so he just breaks up on the tail, so I just take 180.
There was, remember with Manti them, you go for the, him go up to the stone up where they say up where
Up
we
on the
live
big
there.
stone up there, so.
And there was one big one curl up there, you know.
And when they see him run to go on
And
the
it
stone.
has, and him use him hand and hold the snake.
Hey, because I get one.
The brother who was there drop on him back with him 4 foot in the air.
So the snake can go get one now. I run under the stone, you know. So no. So me, so okay. Me have the experience. So me know. So when me draw him out, me just start take sitting and lick him. So we draw him now, but the snake hold himself under the stone. So I'm tell me, so me pull the thing now and the snake come out. The brother just pitch and drop on the head and drop way down in the bush. When he see the snake come out.
As you
Hey,
know,
we
said,
can't-
drop
we
a
can't-
big
one.
one.
Was that
The
The one
brother
that big,
drop
the one
with him
that
4
big,
foot in the
Boy
air.
short.
Wow.
Boy skin brown and black. So me say we can't make him escape. Because him up there now and then. We can't go out there. So better we kill him. Captain tell up there.
Killing snake became like a hobby for us after a while.
Snake.
Even the picnic
Picnic
them,
them.
everywhere.
We have
When
snake
doors
stick.
have stick everywhere,
We have snake
everywhere.
stick.
So you mean it's something?
Every minute
So
they
the
see one.
immediate, so the picnic them from them see something.
He just. Hey, so plenty
Killer.
snake stick.
Everybody turn killer. Till eventually them become less and less, and we say, yeah, we have to take this as space, yeah, you know, you have to
Yeah, when I was
shift
vacate,
up,
I
you have to go
go
back. Yeah.
Come in the space.
You don't really see them as much no more.
No. hardly. Once in a while.
They used to know.
Once in a while.
Then
The
come.
bushfire to one plenty things, the knives, the lawnmower.
And a lot of them died when they were paving this
Yeah,
road.
and when them do the asphalt.
Because them used to cross the road, and after them asphalt the road, we'd get up and see dead
Them
snakes
the time
stuck
you
in
see
the
snake
tar.
to rot.
Is it?
Yeah.
Them the time we see the snake them
How
when we
long
live
now they tar the road? Long time?
like 12 years now.
Ah.
No,
About year 2, year 1, year 2.
no, 12 years. 12, 13, 14, 15, 12, like 10 years now, 11 years.
Yeah,
That
man,
time we see the
come
snake
is a
them when we live
little
round. When the road asphalt time, morning time, that time
What
that
was it like
bicycle.
when the road wasn't there?
Huh. Why I can't even describe what that was
The
like.
gravel-
Well,
gravel
number
road.
one, it made us very sensitive. That is to nature. Because you listen
And the people that come
keenly
here,
for
and the bike,
everything.
and
So
the
if
bicycle.
we hear, because we did still fear the man there who chop with money.
and you say,
You
no,
understand?
Fair.
So we used to, yeah,
Yeah.
because, well, him even did eventually, we have court case with him. He became send some boys on the land, so them are threatening with
Come
gun. Yes.
You lie.
Yes, so we got through plenty, man. We walked through
And the
as,
court could finish though.
yeah, eventually, you know. Eventually, but we got through enough different things, enough different experience
Can
where,
imagine.
yeah, the ordinary man not get to go through, man, I tell you. Them call every authority upon we in
you
this
know every
country.
authority in Ghana.
Oh, the people, some of them, well, that particular man, he was the fuel behind all of that, you know,
Immigration,
until the court settle it and make us know, make him know, say,
to the
because him report
electoral
with to him,
headquarters.
him report with to immigration. Yeah, man, when we decide so we can go to court to make the youth them come threaten we, them report with to immigration, him spend one night in the immigration cell. But it turned out, that's how we get our resident permit.
So good in it. So
Yeah,
you think
because
so bad for you, no,
You
so
don't
good.
know, you don't know. What started out as a bad thing ended up as a good thing. Yeah, so that's why even when it comes to citizenship matter, we they already have resident permit.
But that
which
they couldn't afraid of
was
some things,
our-
you know.
Yeah.
Which was our reward, so to speak, from the harassment that this man was giving us. And the immigration man say, you know what I'm going to do for you people?
I'm going to give you a resident permit.
I'm going to give him a resident permit because I see what this man did to
And the
you.
man say you need to save money and bring money to me every Wednesday. And every Wednesday we can like 20 CD or 40 CD or so go get the man. I know say at the end of the 1 year the man pull out one drawer and take out one envelope with all of the 20 CDs. And when they start crying the man say go. And say
Actually, my mother had passed. My mother was sick, and like after we had gone through the whole immigration matter and them interview we and them say we weren't at fault,
Yeah.
you know, and like we submit with passport and everything. The man said, oh, we must just go and go relax and do what we normally do. Nobody can trouble we in a Ghana.
can
We have
go, we have
Jamaican
a passport.
passport. Nobody can deport us. So it's okay. So we were paying the resident permit fee in installment. We not even did have it for the one
Yeah.
time. We carry piece.
Little.
And then my mother gets sick now. And my sister them and say, boy, you know, maybe me have to go come and thing. So I start think about it and say, well, if you can't pay the fare and thing, then yeah, we may go come. And me call him do weekend, like the Thursday, and tell him, say, boy, I might have to travel, so I want him set up my passport so I can collect it for travel. And by him say, come the Monday. And the Monday morning, I go in a black. And him say, wait, why are you dressed in black? And I say, my mom passed last night. The night, the day I forgot go get the resident permit to go, mother passed. The Sunday night, them call me. Say, she gone. And I say, wow. So I go there now, and when the man hear that, him say, oh my goodness. Oh, I'm so sorry. Because him start to feel like him should have did give me the papers
Yeah.
earlier, you know. And girl, as if that wasn't enough. The man, the envelope where we pay the man in an installment.
every money
Where we carry go give.
I know like him change
The man
it.
take out the envelope and hand it back to it.
Yeah.
And still give
All of the
resident
money.
permit.
Every 20 CD, every 50, at the time of 20 CD, I did bigger money.
Give her back give me resident
I
permit
say
and
what
give
I'm
me
going
back
to
the
do.
money.
Going to give you resident
Yeah.
permit.
Him say, say, what,
Well, if you go check
you
him
know,
on
him
the
see
one
who
day-
we are,
man.
basically.
Yeah, man, if you go check him one day.
Fight.
Yeah, him see who we are, so
People. Wow.
him a go set me up.
Yeah, man, if you go check him
Yeah,
one
man, and the
day.
man give me back the money, and I tell you, say it was well needed, you know.
Of course.
Well needed.
For me, you me ball, you see?
You know, see me,
When
see
was
man,
already crying.
the man tell you to come out like,
Listen, we up with a ball, you see? Did I ask you?
Be already a ball, so you can imagine
and when me
that
see him,
added
I'm like,
to it.
but this man I look like, we kind of like him change the money, you know, and
See your money
really,
one up
I didn't
here.
see him exact money.
Me that ball, you see?
Man, hand back down.
You want ball, the man tell you to come out.
See, they want ball.
Hey, you want ball, and the money me look like, so.
And so we should take it.
Little more say ball. Where
Yeah,
to
that's
say
what the man
Little
say, come
more,
out
the
and have it.
ball.
ball.
Yeah, different from same wife that when me look on the envelope. And the man says, okay, my face a change, the man says, okay. Yeah, we'll check him one day. Yeah, we'll check him one day.
So, we always give thanks.
I mean,
Some amazing things happen to us here, you know. Really, really amazing. There is actually a book called Blind Spot, which is an anthology of life-changing experience. That woman came from the UK to here and said she was doing the book. I just like home with I see you and I show you some things when I go through, and the woman was like, amazing, amazing, oh my God, you should write this, you know. And I say, all right. She said she's doing this book, but it's an anthology. That means it's not me alone. You know, different people who have life-changing experience. And she said, just do it, since if you can't do the book, at least you must can do a chapter and summarize, you know, the experience for Ghana. And I did. I did and submitted it. So I'm actually a published author.
oh, good. Congratulations.
So there is a book actually that I really tell a little bit more of it, you know, our genesis in Ghana and where we used to have to go and get water. Mrs., when you go at the place to get water, if you slip, you slide by your bottom,
Slide
go
down the
right.
gully.
There is no way for you to catch again.
And then
Pure
1, 2,
stone and
3.
boom, 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 boom. Straight in the river. And don't ask if we missed our step. Of course, quite often, not used to this. And if we go downhill, you know, if we go get water, come up, we don't know if we carry upon we head. A wheelbarrow where for use. And carry water. Push it uphill. Man.
Wake yourself.
All
for
him
me now.
used to do it plenty because that time him a plant everything, the little
So we need
coconut then.
water.
So apart from what we need for cook and take care of ourselves, him have to make extra trips every day.
But that's the water. I was saying that about the water. You never trouble you come here. Like when
Yes,
you guys
man,
try
it's
to
secure,
use
it's secure, it's secure, it's secure. Yeah, take getting used to everything. Take getting used
Yeah.
to. Yeah, man.
Sick, you know.
Yeah, you will get sick, you know, and it's just. It happens anywhere because I remember even when I leave Kingston and go live a country with him. About 2 weeks, me sick. I don't know what wrong with me. Me just sick.
The body.
Yeah, it was just like, you know, change the environment, food, air, everything. So that normally can happen, you know.
But you have to go drink rainwater, you know. All the time you have to go drink rainwater. You have to go catch some in the one sitting.
So what else is for?
Rainwater sweet, man.
I know some love to use it wash.
No, man, it's good for drink. Rainwater, the coolest, that quench your thirst like.
You know, see when the
nothing
police
else
come and
quench.
ask you water for drink. So me tell him, say the road, me ask you for rainwater.
So pre some by the house, huh?
Yeah. Me say ask you water for drink.
Oh yeah, I heard him ask you now. For real. Wow. Yeah, trust me. It's
Yeah, man. So the chapter in that book is actually called Against All Odds because
against all, beat all odds.
against all odds because
Beat all
trust
odds.
me, that was how I felt, you know. Our exodus was just I mean, our Genesis was against all odds.
And we have full story and that not cut up the phone, no boy.
No, man, I tell you, for
Me not even a put for me story again to this film. Me look like,
That's
you
why
know,
I tell
you know
some
like
people
when a
say-
sound man string up him sound and when he hear a big sound when I say it.
That's why I tell some
I
people
mean,
say,
you know,
Fear one and sound like a drum pan.
Yeah.
me not talk for me because
Yeah.
feel just overpower it, you know what I mean? Overpower it, man. But yeah, no, I love
Yeah,
this,
man, trust
you know.
me. If I tell you, you sit down and
That's
really
strength.
wonder if me and make up
No,
all
man,
I want
that's
me to
strength,
tell
but
you.
we
man.
have the direction.
Trend.
We're there
That's
one
what I'm
day
telling
when
you,
we just
yeah.
come here, we first Christmas from the land, we first December. Run out of money, run out of food. We are so rotted now. We feel shame because you come, left your family, left all your good things at Jamaica,
No,
and
there
come here
is.
now, man take away with money, and we in a bad problem, we not get for bill, so we just have to dey live cowboy style upon the land. With we youth them, we afraid to tell all my family that. So we there and we I said, Jano, me come from a family where Christmas and birthday and thing, we like to celebrate, you know. And me I said, Jano, look how me there with the youth them and nothing pan the holiday season, you know. So we offer to the youth them the morning we get up and I think we did have some rice and we give them and me and him now, they pan nothing. We just there and I say, I know how we gonna get some money. As I said this time, this road not there, you know, the tar road,
gravel.
it's the gravel road. And him stand up. That time even always to the gate, I want high banking, so you know.
The
And
road-
pure dirt
the road
and
cut the
bush.
mountain.
And him outside, they stand up and we hear the vehicle come up on the gravel road because you can't hear. So we kind of feel scared and I wonder if the man will come for trouble, you know. So we kind of watch out but dodge at the same time. And when we look to right, the vehicle pass
The bus.
and then like the person look and see him stand up and stop and reverse and introduce themselves and thing and we to introduce ourselves and I show them say, boy, we come from Jamaica and you know, we come with our money and this man here carry around and spoil up our money so we run out of money now and I just couple months we're there. We don't have nothing. Man, the man say, listen man,
A food
today
them a drive
Christmas
round
and a
give.
food him having at the back of him vehicle.
And them see the road
And
and just let them
distribute
follow
and them
it.
don't know where the road go and them just decide to follow the road.
So last them even last.
The man take out everything him say him not have nothing else to give nobody.
All sardine, everything.
Everything the man take
Everything,
out, the man
rice,
them take
coconut
out.
oil, everything.
See?
Everything.
I tell you,
And
you
just
know.
okay, after Accra because they don't know where the road are going to nobody where they go get.
Yeah, just come like them come out of the clear blue sky if you come give us food. So we could have something to
That's
eat.
serious, you know, hey.
Yeah.
Them see them move me now, man.
Yeah.
And something like, man.
Catch when you know some me I go have food
If I
in the
sit down
car.
and share them with
You
your
plant the
sister, may I
things
tell
in
you, you really wonder if may I tell you the truth.
Ah,
Me tell
man,
you.
listen.
Some phenomenal things, man.
Mm.
We day
Not
all
truth
when we
you
have the
tell me.
court case, you know, we run out of money, sister. And we just there and one brother we meet years before we not have no interaction with the brother. And tell him nothing about we are nothing. And the brother just drive up at the gate because we have to go to court because them say no matter what. Me know Earl. And them say we for follow the case no matter what, we for follow the case. You know, them will not fi make them intimidate you because that them are going to try it.
Yeah.
So every time them keep postponing it. Every month them make we come. And them are frustrated, you know, 1 year and 6 months before them hear the case, you know. Every month them adjourn it. But the man them tell we say some of them say never miss one day. The day you miss,
That's what they use
yeah,
against
they're
you.
going to use against you. And we don't have no money for go Akropong. And the man just pass and just stop and call me and say, see 10 CDs here, give it to your husband for me. We don't know the man. We don't know which spirit or who tell him or what. He just come and we and say, we have money for go to court. Yeah, man, and we keep going on some of the time to some of the taxi driver them in the town. We know we too, and them say okay, then we put in a one time free to So always they make sure so we reach there till the case come. You know. Yeah man, and them tell us, oh, you can't win Ghanaian in Ghana, you're Jamaican and this and that, and you know, we're quite satisfied. It never turned out. It could have been worse, but them bring the sentence down and just make them know, say, yo, no come back on the people them land or trouble them. If you do and them report you, we'll lock you up without question. So we said that sound good enough.
Yes.
You know, make we take it like that. We don't have to come here to come send them go to jail or nothing like that. But as long as them leave we alone, then we alright. Yeah. And them do that, so we alright.
Yeah, man.
I don't know if them alright, but we alright.
If I'm alright, him find out if get alright. Boy.
Yeah, man, so. Wanted, we are not thief.
And a free flight this.
So if we lose the case, the worst thing.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll go back. So, okay. Yeah. If we did ease them up, yeah. And so we know, say, and no papers, and when we, because during the same time, you know, the immigration locked me up too, you know. So when the man talk to me now and all of the things with them I say about me a gunman and me a weed and all kind of thing, the man just push that aside and say, you know, these people, they are jealous. So this and this you're going to do. And go and do your work. So I start complaining when I say, but then say then go and burn down the cottage. The man say, look, if they light one matches anywhere there, the Ghana Immigration Service and Ghana Armed Forces will come and sweep a pretty. Can't the boy them I say them more like bushfire now. I make it burn down. Yeah. So me tell the man say hi. Because the man at their court for like 1 year and 3 months and immigration now have me. When me tell the man say hi. If they light one matches, go see the Ghana Armed Forces and the Ghana go sweep the town. When the man said that, I say, yeah. Like me just say, I know me my thought, but I say, okay, yeah. So I come home with confidence. The man say, we're letting you out and go to court. Because them lock me up Monday night, Tuesday night, and know say Wednesday court, so Wednesday I can't appear at court. Wednesday I go to court, I tell me what I say, I could sit down over the next side of the court. Because for the 1 year and some months, to sit down over that side. I could sit down over this side. The man decided to call the court the morning. Because already the prosecutor tell him, say, I'm not did it because we have immigration problem and papers and so they're going to do it. So then call me name first thing. So the man just look around and say, oh, absentee runner, and I say present you runner. I look around and say, me for the next time the man glasses and jump out and face.
Like, oh, whatever.
Yeah, we just change the position for him. Because we sit down at one position for the 1 year and the months. And this time we say, okay, nobody knows how we come out. So we come out the Tuesday, we can stop at one woman's house and just come straight home. And then the taxi man now say, oh, he like the move, so he want to pick you up. So he pick you up and drop you a coat and we go early and sit down over the next corner. And everybody knows so that full corner that. So the judge called the case because they know so we not did it. They not even look for it. The judge called me name, the man just turn around and say they're absent. And realize I'm a point from different people. And me just get up and say present. And the man turn around and say glasses. And then I say, okay, this case is going on for some 1 year. Oh, are you ready? I say, yes, Your Honor. And I say, okay. And then I try the case and one of the boys I'll faint way in the box.
Oh, I'm faint. What happened to him?
When them read the verdict.
Literally. Cartoon style. When them start to read the verdict, you know, and tell them, say, listen man,
That boy them come check now.
it's telling, yeah, the youth them will come with it gun. And them will tell them all the different charges for whatever of privacy, you know, coming with weapons, it's 3 years, this is that, you know, all the different things where them, the charges where them find them guilty of, right? And the amount of years added. So the brother start hold on for the next one.
Me only see the brother start shake so one at a time. Then the sister he start hold on for the next old man and the old man push him off because the old man in the stick to the last stick. So the old man stand up and film stick because one little American one. So the man a read but them a read in the language. So they must say after them read them all read interpret. Me only see the brother shake. And then him start hold on upon the old man and the old man push him off. And by the time they will be a boom.
No, him start soon, man. Yeah, him now just go boom, him just...
Yeah.
Like, just like...
Yes.
Every part-time body. Before you hear him thud. The brother just...
And it's a board place, you know, where them have them in the box. Yes. But him never listen well.
Then after that, them say about the guys.
So I take them off to take him up and carry him in one room. So everybody want to laugh, but you know, say no, okay. The judge want to laugh, everybody want to laugh. So then just turn around now and give me like 2 sentences. Because they don't need to tell me all what they tell them. Then just turn around and give me 1 and 2 sentences. And the man just salute me and I just salute him. And I just try to hold my mouth and I spit and everything. Because the taxi outside to a wait. And I just step in the taxi and say, drive Virgin. Before we could have laughed. The man the Virgin just start shake.
After when the man come here, no, I don't like your matter. Huh? You, Abacha, I don't like your matter. Well, we get Finavas with severe matter. Him just start slow motion, you know, till him just when he reach halfway.
Him wanna like Abacha matter.
Yes, him like we matter.
And then he must start grow some dreadlocks too, you know, cause I guess the influence of dreadlocks. So he must film dreadlocks like maybe what 4 inch, 3 inches or 4 inch, you know. Hey, like
Small dread.
Yeah, I don't like it. And them a whole gun too, you know, so you have to be careful what me I do, you know.
Eh.
Eh.
So not like your matter. So what you say about
Yeah, I'm
that?
dropped down in the place.
We get to laugh when we see.
So when
No,
him
what?
come and tell us not like your matter, what you say to him?
We can't say nothing, man.
If them know them not give a chance on a dialogue, them come for dialogue. Them come for
Yeah.
dialogue.
So me plan say okay.
Them not like how because the whole plan was that when they sold us the land, the man was forcing us to go back.
To go back and get money so that he can send money so that he can build.
And send money to him so that he can do all of.
So we want to go back to Jamaica?
Yes, so
I
we
don't
tell him,
know,
say, no, we can't go on Jamaica. I say, oh, me for go America and start make plans. So me I say, but I know him and my husband. So me and him can't make no plan. How him a try to give with this a plan? I'm come here to stay. You understand? Yes, so we say, no, we don't agree to that.
So by the time we go and come back, out of one plot left for we. Alright, so. Because you know, you not give me some story and all of them things. So when I left, I want to come up left here.
Time done collect with thousands of
So almost like-
for the land, so then they want you go back.
So that's where the problem starts.
Yeah, that's where the problem starts. Because in get for sister now, he never meet no Jamaican like me. And then start say, boy, I'm a Jamaican like we don't need to come here. You know, some people at Jamaica say, boy, you know, I know this is a type of Jamaican they want to go in Africa. That's not gold digger they want down here.
So when they come and get to know, that's what they might try to say? That the wrong person is the land to her, so?
No. Just because the way how him defend himself in the sense of when him say we pay for the land, we have the money, the man still a try to bring we down more and more and more. So the typical countryman Jamaican start swinging cutlass and making no say no, we can't come with the family and yeah try mess we up. We give up everything in Jamaica. So you have to go talk to my machete. You know, so him start.
People come tell him say what's the land
The land I sell, I show them the land like, yeah, this land is for sale, and I tell the people, it's okay.
And they must sell it again.
Is it from them you buy the land or somebody else?
No, him carry away.
Them carry enough to go get the land to somebody, so him want him cut.
Yes.
So me have to have a stone pile up out of the gate. This so and this. I know, so any car here come down, we feel just go turn up over the stone heap.
Eh, I saw you.
Where's that fling? Where is that fling stuff?
That's what make you want to do right now.
Oh,
I want to see
so they
what
say,
matter.
I know Jamaicans like we don't want here.
That's a big matter.
Right.
You know? Because we decide, so no, we can't come with the money and we use them and
All
the
of the
man
rest
them
of them
deal
where
with
you
it.
see
So.
I join
So
the
we
one and I
start
try to buy the land.
defend ourselves and make them know. So
Where is
All
this?
of the rest of them where you hear my wife I talk about and I cuss.
Don't lie.
Where they are from the 19 which I try to buy the land, I grow in some corner to find some people to buy the land. And I just decide, say, okay,
I'm already
then
back.
one pile of stone there so and one pile of stone there so.
Anybody
So no
Be
can
a stone
decide.
flinging out there.
A pure stone flinging out there.
I'm going to your use. That's a matter. That is a matter.
Oh,
Hey!
One day one brother come down and I decide, say, okay, him bright enough, so I'll come down with him camera and the next virgin now, I go show him exactly where and him I go just visit the place. Not knowing say me hear the car from the intercom and I know say, oh, the BM sound that. And turn up the sub behind the stone heap. As the boy come down and take out in camera and me go down, so the boy touch on the rev. The grave digger come up and start say, oh, Abacha, your brother is going to kill himself, catch with them a rasta. The way he passed and he don't know the corner. Then go down, they go tell Jabby, say the man up a crazy, you know, and up a go and say no one about
Hey, this is
a pay stone me full of the BM with.
it's a big stone.
Fling inside stone.
Raja. They know about stone thing, you know.
None of them know about it.
You sure they don't know about stone
And
thing?
worse than the American. Because the American, them know where come buy out the land, you know, because them say we are Jamaicans, we come here, we don't have any money, and that's why we live in the bush. And
They
we
hear
are...
the old story.
Plenty story, man. Plenty story.
So I say, okay, stone throwing.
It's a stone heap on them.
Stone throwing, can you go and pack out the stone, Elvis?
Yeah.
Are you there behind it?
Many things behind story now.
Shovel.
Is that joke? There's many things behind story.
And I enjoy for this. And them I know what
Where you
The
start
story where they
from.
behind it.
Real, man.
Yeah, man, the stone, when the brother come down and take out the camera and say, me did it behind the stone.
Real.
Yeah,
Can
ready.
me pack it high, you know, make them say, okay.
Ready.
All of them are big stone. Where when you fling it,
Like a pound of yam.
yeah.
Yeah, man, we start challenging.
The brother turned the second gear down the hill. The grave digger come up.
Him no want none of that.
Friend down the sun and say, my brothers, you're speeding too much. That time you not even know what happened make the man a speed down the hill. On the gravel road.
Yo, every time I go have a laugh last year. There's a stone where I wrote there.
Oh. Can you come take picture of the land to come sell the land? And nobody now come ask me how what happened.
Yeah.
Them only listen to the man.
Go take things and have to come. But
Man, I'll buy the land. Hey, one man pay 7,000 US for the land.
I ain't live on the land.
And the day when he come, after he couldn't get back the money, he still no face with nothing. The day when he finally comes and say he buy the land. And he see me, he start shaking my wife and give me water and I tell him.
hey, you look like when they shake up your water, you forget them.
Because he already get
That's
back his
how
money
you
and build different house down there. So. And he's afraid to come to it. I'll know him afraid. And he end up so if he sell the house because the man making can't live in the house.
The same person will
The same person we can,
Some get piece down the bottom.
Him take everybody house when build. And everybody land. So I'll know he paying them. So then try everything.
matter.
Every opportunity them get to say something negative, you know.
Yeah.
That's what them worship, you know, every situation when them can say, yeah, you know, Abacha do this or something like that, you know. So, but we don't watch no
And then
face,
you
you
get
know.
no like Jamaica, they say, oh, if you go down to the station and say, oh, Granty Picnic come kill off him fold them because Granty Picnic killing goat, the police know say, oh. So if they come here now and start tell the police some things, the police know say, oh, they not even want to see me come down to the station, you know. Can't be a problem will come down and come get. So then if people come, so they can, unless there's some crime, they can't go down there go talk nothing to the police and tell me. Because the police know me, all of them, and know say that, man.
You know, them so.
They don't want me come down, they can start make up no noise. And them now come up here. You know, so we have that kind of way we know, say, okay, we set the way. So we set the way if you know, say, no matter which stage you come, we can show you.
Yeah.
Because we know what is money. Don't we?
No, I've been
So no
through
matter
it.
how much money you come with, we can show you differently. But it's good for we from the West come back and create a Jamaica. You know, create back the good barber shop, create back the good hairdressing shop. Yeah. We don't need to create back no city yet. You know, we need to create back the Jamaica with all the fruit tree them. Because we still wait for the man to get started seed. You understand?
Yeah, sweet sap, eh?
Living, you know.
Sweet sap to not do well up here after some years.
Oh, I see
So-
a family in it, like this.
Yeah. He want up on the land when I know all the stone. But when them plenty sweet sap, you know. When them like 5 years with a sweet sap.
The one that is nice, that's full. By
Yeah
2
man,
days
when them
ready.
5 or
Okay.
6 years with a sweet sap. So we didn't go to it, yeah.
That was the real red apple.
You know say unskilly when we plant it. Just as the tree go bloom, the termite never out it.
Eh?
Big tree, no, big tree. You turn out, so me have you now come
So
back
them not
again.
there. Them happy
You tell
them
man,
there.
me have you now come back again.
Eh?
So by next year or the year after you'll be.
You watch it. Yeah, me watch
I may
it.
have the seed with them.
Yeah.
Can't take a break, you know.
No, me that me hard, you know.
Cut.
Yeah.
For you, and you run it. You run it left your wife tell her say, are you gone on so? And then come other part there.
When the man them come here, the man them report the thing. They rush come up at the immigration people and say, okay, if you come for 4 people, you need space in the van. Then full up the van come up here. So then come up here now. My wife is there, so me run well left the picnic them and go in at the van. I say, okay, if I want to carry the picnic them, carry the picnic them. So then they tell the wife come. Then pack up my wife and me say if my wife no call me, me no answer, so me no care who I call me. So then left with my wife and me no, you no call from my wife, so my wife gone. So when you there now, and we say, okay, the immigration headquarters down there. So when we call, we realize, say, them carry my wife down at the headquarters. Them tell my wife, so me not go come. I say, okay, me go come. So the youth give me fear. I tell about 3 CD. And me take the fear and go down there. And we reach down there like 10:30 the night at 11 o'clock. So them check me and carry me in the place, take out my ratchet knife, take out everything. And then they say them will release my wife. So I say, watch one of my blood clot eat that. Then they will release my wife. How them will do it? So then say them will keep me till tomorrow. You're going to see the big man. So I say, okay, let me see how big that man. So I'm going for it. Come here, I say, if they release my wife and left me. And they release my wife and left me. So I say, okay. So then carry me in one cell, no one say me was staying. So when I go in there, I see plenty Chinese. Like about 12 of them or 15 of them, the man them I say a galamsey. Can you tell me already say Chinese. And then one Fulani boy, but then lock up the Fulani boy in one cell, because he beat up, like he make trouble.
Bad boy.
Like, and the same bad, but in, like in kinky. So one Cameroon guy now for fraud passport. So I'm going there now, and the brother did have one newspaper, so I take the newspaper from him and say, I want the guard. And we go inside and see them. I say, all of them move first and going on one blood clot corner. We just see all of them just rushing in. And just rushing in. And just rushing in our room and lock the door. And I say, rascal. We should have met them. So the brother from Cameroon now get up and touch off my face. And I see him start speak English. So I say, okay. And I ask him, so why you in a sofa? Him say,
well, lad, you turn bad boy in the house.
Hey, what a bad boy now.
Hey, because the way the police attack. And I say, I don't know nothing to do to rascal. And then let go my wife. So that means my wife will do nothing to me do something.
Hey,
So I say, okay. Hey, so I have the newspaper now, so they rushing at the place now. And go lock up. My next room did it. And then stay in there, so you know, you nothing about them. They even left them in there the morning. Because they come for me early in the morning. Because I don't know, they come like, then call the boss and say, this man is not sleeping up. Because when the whole station is locked down, they might come to me and say, so you know, I'm going to sleep, Mr. Pan. No, there's stuff for me sleeping up. So I have to sit down on the chair, so the Cameroon brother am slump. So I just have a newspaper and spin the leaf them. And so, okay, I get a chance to read Ghana newspaper and start to front. From front to back. So I watch, I say, okay, the main headquarters locked down, everybody asleep. So I go one guard man now, every now and then I say, get up off a film bed and look over. So I move the chair now and move, go one place and say, I'll fuck him up. When you look over, I can't go see me. So you know, I have to get up off of the bed and walk come. So early the morning, then come and say, the whole night he didn't sleep. So you know, stay here, so how did you know that? And so you come in, we are carrying it to the big man. So I see the car, I say, wow, nice, Land Cruiser. So he say, collect your things, so I collect the knife and everything and push back in my waist now. And I say, wow, this is a treatment. I have my knife in my waist and I go in a Land Cruiser. So I didn't see the Chinese boy then. We left the Cameroon boy and the Fulani them. Go in a Land Cruiser and drive around also the military cemetery everywhere and carry now inside one place now. That's how we meet the man now where Makeda talk about. As me going on the place, the man say, you Jamaicans come in here and carry guns. Eh? We are going to deport you. That's how I see my tail drop. And everything drop. But we know I know that's not true. But the deport matter. But me one down as so. So I start telling the man, say, okay, I'm a vegetarian. And since yesterday I don't eat, and I don't eat kenken and none of these things. And if I start to get hungry inside, then they start to say, hey, then they can't keep me along. I'm starting, hey. And we just see little case, come up with Tuesday evening, Wednesday morning with their court. The prosecutor say, oh, they're absent. So then things they come up, man, the man them call me Mr. Bumbuckler down there. From there, so the case start, then start calling me Mr. Bumbleclot. Every time I go down there, the immigration, and they look out and say, no, Mr. Bumbleclot. And you know, some more Jamaicans did sit down, you know, where immigration matter them a day. And just see a man just come in. Jamaican dressed like Ghanaian traditional clothes. And then they call me Mr. Bumbleclot. And they say, oh, come. And me just gone in and left them sit down. Me just come back up. Me nothing greet them. And they know some are Jamaican and they can't say nothing. Because they must say, oh, then. Oh, so we set the way. We set the way. So if you don't want to follow, then we can watch it.
Listen, as some serious knowledge and something where some man, half a way were there probably would even go through that. Some people that give up and say, you know what? Yeah, man,
but we can't go home. Because we don't have no money to pay the man for the
free flight.
And we realize the Ghana are not airplane. And that now when they start to realize now, they talking and realize and this a big man say Ghana and Jamaica have a gratis.
Yes.
So Ghanaians, Ghana cannot deport Jamaicans. If you commit a crime here, we will charge you accordingly. I say, okay, the man stop scaring me now and tell me meat at the matter. And the man said the people are jealous. You know? My boys walk around and they see that you're a hard worker. But your daughter said that you go to Kumasi. Because when the immigration them come, they walk around the place and look for me. Ask the picnic them when me there, the picnic them telling me going to Kumasi. And from here to Kumasi to Ratil. And then she says, somebody just done weed like seconds. And we see them come and just tell the people. We see them come and this one come to me and say, some strange man are coming now. So me gone.
But the kids them ain't scared?
Yeah, them are like
They ain't scared?
7-year-old. No, they're not afraid. The man them just talk loud, but the picnic them call them and say, Mommy, some strange man there and talk rough. You know, Ghanaian like where's the father?
Yeah. A true man, they talk rough.
So my wife now come back with the local police, and the local police now start style them. And then she say, oh, so they just pack them up and squeeze them up in the vehicle go down. So I said, then if me when come, where they put me? Because somebody will have to go in the van back. Because they already full up the pickup come up here. And I have to carry down 3 more people. So if me out there, I'll fight. Because they no carry no gun neither, so I just finish them all out and run out. Because immigration, they no carry gun, idiot them. I just dash stone from them out there and run out.
So like you have the stone heap
the
and
stone heap out of them a time always.
They never see stone heap. They never
They don't think about that, they know, because them part, the car couldn't drive come down and so, you know, because the gravel road. So they know, so if they drive come down, they might go catch me. So them park up there, so about me up there, so now a wheel. Out of the guava, they plant cassava. And see the car park and see some man that come down like, the shoes were there and the first sit walk on gravel road. And the shirt, well.
Them look too official.
Yeah man, I'm pushing. And I say shit. So me just done weed now and beard and wash me hair and everything now in my underpants. So me just want to come back and saw the hot content and say some strange man that coming and so me gone. I mean just go hide. Right. So we pass through all of that. And know the ins and outs of Ghana and know so watch out. We don't want nobody come spoil around that.
Yeah,
and spoil
man.
Ghana. Because that's the last thing the president, when he greet we, he knows so he have a slogan say, better Ghana. So that's them policy. So that a policy we come under because we get the citizenship under this particular president. So at the better Ghana agenda, we follow.
That's why I emphasize for the man and say no come out with no food,
no
spoil
fighting
nothing.
No
spoil nothing, yeah.
You know, just
any matter outside, make that stay
any matter outside, I'll cancel your passport and your visa and everything. And take your vaccine and stay there. Yeah. Because I better Ghana. It's simple. Better Ghana. So whatever you can do to make Ghana better, welcome. The president go welcome.
Serious thing, man.
It's simple.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Right. That video, that one, yeah. Elvis. That one, Ghana Road, man.
Yeah, man.
You see this?
Yes, I am.